In this segment, we will learn about some interesting part regarding fiber optic. We will learn about advantage and disadvantage of fiber optic and its comparison to the copper wire. First of all, I would like to give you some idea about optical fiber communication system, which consists of flexible thin filament of glass, silica glass. This silica can accept electrical signal as input, convert them into optical signals, carry them over optical fiber cables, and reconvert them into electrical signals after reaching its destination. For your further information, optical fiber cable consists of 4 parts. Part 1 is the core, the innermost of the component carrying light. Second part is the cladding, the area that completely surrounds the core. It is made by protective polymer. Part 3 is buffer or coating, and part 4 is the shield. Both of them is for protection. Oh yeah, these optical fiber cables also consist of 2 types of modes, which are single mode and multi mode. Now, we will move on to copper wire. Copper wire has been used in electric wiring since the inventions of the electromagnet and the telegraph in the 1820s. The inventions of the telephone in 1876 created further demand for copper wire as an electrical conductor. Yeah, it's true that copper is the electrical conductor in many categories of electrical wiring. This copper will be used in power generation, power transmission, power distribution, telecommunications, electronic circuitry, and countless types of electrical equipment. The copper and its alloy are also used to make electrical contact. This copper wire usually made into coils, where the appropriate length is cut for different use. Comes to the important part, we will talk about the advantage of the fiber optic. First point of advantage is the security, which means fiber optic is more safety to be used. Fiber optic doesn't radiate signals and no shock hazard will be formed. Second point of advantage are low attenuations and greater distance, which means fiber optic produce little signal loss and move more faster. Then, the third point is the design of fiber optic, which is more better and durable. Other than that, fiber optic has greater bandwidth that allow the fiber carry more information. And the last point is the cost, which is fiber optic is steadily decreasing. Now, we will talk about the disadvantage of fiber optic. It has a limited band radius. It can't be bent so much to prevent the fiber from being broken. This fiber optic need to be shielded well to make sure that the wire being protected. Besides, the procedure to make this optical fiber is complicated and requires skilled manpower. This is the example of some point that we talk about. Last but not least is the comparisons between fiber optics versus copper wire. First, fiber transmit data much faster over longer distance than copper. Second, fiber cable is smaller diameter and weight less than its copper wire. Third, fiber optics are immune to RFI, which is radio frequency interference, and EMI, electromagnetic interference. Then, the last one is the fiber optics cabling uses less power and provides less signal degradation than copper cable. To conclude, we will say that fiber optic cable is more better than the copper wire. That's all from us. Thank you!